records, except in the cases of fire or loss of income claims. The reason it's acceptable in those cases is because in arson, they're just looking for a motive potential for arson. And then in loss of income type situations, again, they're just looking for a motive for any types of potential fraud. So in those cases, it would be allowable. In other cases, it would be considered an unfair claims practice. All right, so prompt payment of claims. So the insurance company, within 15 days, business days of notice is claimed by the insurer has to do three things. They got to acknowledge that they've received the claim. They must begin an investigation, and they must request all information that it will be required from the insured for them to evaluate a proof of loss. Once the proof of loss has been put together within 15 business days of the receipt of that proof of loss, the insurer must either give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, either accept or reject the claim. If the insurer has accepted the claim, they must pay the claim within 5 business days. However, all this being said, insurers have additional time to pay for good cause, either weather-related catastrophes like hurricanes, tornadoes, large hailstorms, or things like suspected arson are going to be considered good cause, which will extend out the timelines to a reasonable amount of time that the TDI will be also taking a look at. So that is everything with Texas statute. Good thing here is we're going to go over some questions. And at the end of the section, before your next section here on pages 27, 28, and 29, there is a statutes study guide here for Texas statute study guide. This is going to be the quick hit information that you're going to need to be able to memorize to pass this section. All right. So question 1 is going to be the type of insurance company in which the policyholder is considered an owner with the right to vote and share in the profits is A, stock company, B, a mutual company, C, a reciprocal company, or D, a Lloyd's association. In this case, it's going to be B, a mutual company. Number 2, insurance written on the producer's own